Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your device is missing important security and quality fixes on your Windows 11 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range, keep that at all, and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you would do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double click on that. Should be a policies folder. Again, double click. Microsoft, same thing. Should be a Windows folder. Double click on that one too. And then there should be a data collection folder. On the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value. You would name this value allow telemetry. Exactly how you see it on my screen, so ALLOWTELEMETRY. Then hit enter. You want to double click on this value, and you want to set it to 2, so delete the 0, type in number 2, select OK. And once you're done with that, you want to close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.